This 2-pack bathroom organizer offers flexible, tool-free installation with no drilling required. You can customize the height between shelves and use them separately to store shampoo, body wash, razors, and more. The large, deep shelves feature a hollow design that drains water quickly, keeping your items dry and preventing buildup. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, these rust-proof shelves support up to 30 pounds without tilting. 11 hooks let you hang towels, sponges, and toothbrushes conveniently. Adhesive pads stick securely to smooth surfaces and can be removed with heat, making this shower caddy a smart, stylish storage solution worth considering.